video we're going to have a short look at the use of chlorine as being one of the halogens as we're looking at group 7. An important reaction of chlorine is the reaction with water, which you can see there. We can assign oxidation numbers to the different species there. Assigning them to the chlorine itself as an element is 0. Within HCl, the oxidation state is -1, and within HClO, it's +1. So as you can see, the same element, chlorine, has been both oxidised and reduced. And this type of reaction is called a disproportionation reaction. It is a redox reaction because oxidation and reduction are occurring, but it's just a special type called disproportionation. And there you can see when you look at them separately, one's being reduced, so from chlorine into Cl-, and then the chlorine going into +1 in HClO. So if you have this reaction and you put the chlorine into some water, you should remember from the earlier videos or your earlier lessons that chlorine in aqueous solution is a pale green solution. We're making both HCl and HClO. You could test for the HCl because it's an acid, so you could use universal indicator paper or blue litmus. Both universal indicator and a blue litmus would turn red. The HClO, the chloric acid, would then start to bleach, so it would bleach your litmus paper or your universal indicator paper. So it would start to disappear the colour. When chlorine reacts with water in the presence of sunlight, you need sunlight, then it turns into the hydrochloric acid and oxygen. That's because the original reaction occurs, but the HClO formed, the chloric acid formed, then decays in the sunlight to form oxygen and hydrochloric acid. So chlorine is used in water treatment because it has the benefit of killing bacteria. Obviously if you use too larger quantities it can be toxic. Reaction of chlorine with cold dilute sodium hydroxide is an important one, as are the equations. When the reaction happens then, you produce sodium chloride, sodium chlorate and water. You can assign oxidation states again to the chlorine, and again you will see that a disproportionation reaction has occurred. And the main use of this is to act as a bleach, and it can kill bacteria.